cake.
Yes, that's really good.
Gabriel, can you do a dance for us, Gabriel? Very nice, Beth. That's super dancing. Very expressive arms. Oh. What's that?
That's what I thought.
Gabriel, can you do a digger dance? Very nice being a digger. Digger arms, excellent.
Very good, bigger.
Can you do a little dance with your feet like a seagull looking for worms? Don't kick him.
Careful, or you come off the table.
Very nice, Beth. Stretching and calm, lovely.
Not you.
Okay.
Very nice, Beth. Lovely. Tightrope dancing. The belly dancing. Oh, lovely work.
Balancing. That didn't sound very good.
His kneecap's gone.
That was the high bar balance in the middle.
Oh, very excellent. Wow. And now you jump. Oh, that's incredibly ungainly.
And can you bow?
Look out, Charlie.
That actually wasn't bad. As far as the steps go.
Oh, and a little bow.
Bow
Nice.
to daddy.
That was quite
Bow.
good.
Oh, perfect. Gabriel, foot dance. Now you're going to jump off.